and welcome to Stella's Baking Adventures. Today we're going to be making easy homemade ice cream without an ice cream machine. Let's get to it. For your ingredients, you're going to need 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, vanilla, and whatever type of adding you want. I'm going to be adding in chocolate chip because that's my preference. This is going to be the coolest video you've ever seen. Next, we're going to add in our heavy cream until it has turned into like whipped cream on high in our mixer, or you can use a hand mixer if you prefer. Make sure you're not stirring it for too long or else it'll turn into butter. Whoa, you guys, this looks so cool. It's like it turns from a liquid to like in between a liquid and a solid. It's so cool. I'm gonna open it up for you guys to see what it looks like, what it should look like when it's done. It looks exactly like whipped cream. You're gonna lightly add your sweetened condensed milk and vanilla into the bowl and lightly I forgot to mention, with our vanilla, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Next, we're gonna add our ice cream into a pan. I'm gonna be using our bread pan that we have, or whatever is big enough for you guys. Next, we're gonna add our plastic wrap on top. Then we have to wait. I'm gonna be so bored while we're waiting for our ice cream to freeze. Next, we have to put it in the freezer for at least 4 hours, or we can freeze it in there for overnight, and then we're going to taste test it tomorrow. It's been about 4 hours already, so we're going to go ahead and take it out of our freezer. Now it's time to call in my assistant, Xander. Xander! Do you think it's like ice cream or gelato?
Gelato. That's good. That's really good. It's really very sweet. And soft.
Yeah. I think we could have frozen it for a little bit longer because it's like really milky on the inside. So maybe freeze it for like 6 hours. I think we're gonna finish this up and throw it back in the freezer. Bye, thank you guys for joining us.